One of the keys to collecting high-quality sim images on the OMX is to make sure that you're matching the index of refraction of the oil to the sample. It may take several tries before you get this correct, but it's vitally important that you do. An oil of 1.516 is often a good place to start. A lot of samples that will be the correct oil. But in my case, I'm going to start with 1.512, which I know is a mismatch, so that I can actually show you what that looks like in the software and show you how to correct that. So in the software, if I focus up in 1 micron intervals, I'm looking to go out of focus. I want to see how the light distributes as I go out of focus. So as I'm clicking the up arrow and going out of focus, you're going to see as the light blurs that it's actually blurring very evenly. Right? There's an even distribution of light as it blurs. But as I go in the other direction, you're going to notice that it doesn't look the same. It's going to look a little bit different. So as I focus and go out of focus, you're going to start to see what appear like rings around certain areas of the sample. What this is indicative of is an oil mismatch. These are area rings, and they always show that there's a mismatch in oil. So when I'm going down in my focus and I see these rings, that tells me I need to go up in my oil. So if I'm clicking down, then I need to go up to say 514 or 516 in my case. If I'm clicking the up arrow and I see these rings as I'm going out of focus, then I know that I need to go down in my oil. So instead of a 512, I want to go to 510 or 508. So in this case, I need to go up in my oil, and I'm going to change that to 516, which I know is the correct oil, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I've matched the oil correctly. So I have changed my oil from 512 to 516, and if I move in 1 micron intervals now, I'll notice that I still get the blurring that I had previously in this direction. But as I go down now, instead of seeing the area rings that I saw previously, what I see now is a nice even blurring with no area rings. What this means is I matched my index of refraction correctly, and I've chosen the right oil.